Welcome, future dentist. Today we're diving into the endodontic journey. Let's map out what you'll encounter along the way. Here's your roadmap. Common challenges, why they happen, how to manage them, and a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Ready? Let's go. Ledges. First up, ledges. Ledges occur when a file creates a small shelf in the canal, usually in curved or narrow roots. If left untreated, they can prevent cleaning and filling the full canal length. To manage ledges, pre-curve your files, use glide path techniques, and apply gentle filing motions. Blocked canals. Next, blocked canals. Calcifications, debris, or previous treatment can obstruct your path. Always identify the blockage early and consider using ultrasonic instruments or bypass techniques to navigate through. Apical transportation. Apical transportation is when your file deviates from the canal's natural path, usually at the apex. This can compromise cleaning and sealing. Use flexible NiTi files and avoid excessive force to prevent it. Perforations. A perforation happens when an instrument breaches the canal wall. Prevention is key. Proper access preparation, awareness of canal anatomy, and gentle instrumentation. If it happens, seal it immediately with MTA or bioceramic material. Resorption. Root resorption can be internal or external, caused by trauma, infection, or pressure. Detect it with radiographs and manage carefully depending on the type and severity. Persistent infection. Persistent infection is often due to missed canals, complex anatomy, or inadequate disinfection. Always ensure thorough cleaning, irrigation, and proper obturation. Remember, a clean canal is a happy tooth. Summary/mind map review. Let's review our journey. Ledges, blocks, apical transportation, perforations, resorption, and persistent infection. Recognize them early, prevent when possible, and manage carefully. Quick quiz. Question 1. Which instrument is most flexible and helps prevent apical transportation? Answer: NiTi file. Question 2. A ledge is best managed by? Answer: pre-curving and gentle filing. Question 3. What's the first step if you encounter a perforation? Answer: seal immediately. How did you do? Great job! Endodontics is a journey full of challenges, but with knowledge, preparation, and careful technique, you'll navigate it like a pro. Keep practicing, stay curious, and happy treating.